The BD Canaan facility has a long and proud history of BD. It actually started as a BD facility over 60 years ago. And there's that sense of pride when you talk to the people here, especially the people who have been here a long time. I think we've got 6 people in the factory now that have been working for BD for over 40 years. That history of 60 years of innovation, we have been the first in many ways. The syringe plastic pack was really what put us on the map. By producing 2 billion units a year, we have the potential to touch 1/4 of the world's population. And that's just out of this one factory alone. I tell all the new hires when they come in, we make 6 million a day, which means every person in the state of Connecticut could come to this factory. We could give them a syringe every day and still have millions left over to distribute. When you're working for a company that has that kind of impact, it really stands for something.